what you said we had to cut them because I don't feel the wind blowing.
My fat thumb gets in the way. It is too. This is what mine does.
See? Okay, I vote my dad letting them and not you because my dad's are just cooler.
I vote you're sleeping in that trailer tonight.
I vote that'd be awesome! As long as I have someone else with me, I'm okay. Because yeah, that was like Jesse, you said whoa before he even lit it. I love how Brian's paying attention so well. He's playing on his iPod.
I'm not playing on my iPod.
Well, I know. That's why I said that. Your video taking pictures or something. Dad, you would.
What is that? That looked like fire.
Woo!
Point out, Steve.
Steve, yours is way cooler than Glenn.
That's because he put mine out.
Then light it back up.
He put mine out. It's like, geez. I know. Steve got the cool one.
Well, that's because he's kind of cooler.
Jeez.
He's cool down.
I guess so.
Well.
Wait, you.
Come off the top though, just kind of run out like straight out.
No, it's just a little bright.
Not good for your eyes.
I love them.
I can't help but blink every time.
Wow. Smoke.
What do you know? Oh, those are one of those. Yeah.
Oh, same thing, huh? Yeah. Flash parts.
That is bright.
They are.
You need to get a few of them going at the same
Really?
time.
You can't see the light piece. Even if you're not looking directly at them, you still can't see.
That one's really bright.
Ours is awful for something with pieces that long. I love strobe that. I love strobe.
Woo! That's what it's like. You gotta try and find the fuse.
I can't see. I can. You know what? I can look at me looking. Just me. Look at that. Really? Is that really? The smoke has to come up.
He's a smoky sucker too. Oh my.
That's good part.
Well, it's like a strobe light. It's just like come at you and do like even better. The smoke makes the strobe light part of it look even cooler. I know. I want a strobe light in the fog machine for my birthday.
That would be so awesome.
I'd never come out of my room again.
That fog would run you out of your room.
Does it smell bad?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, then I don't want to smell that. I just want a strobe light. They should make fog that smells. Then it just fell over.
Saw that.
You can.
I'm not lighting them off on the truck though.
Well, no.
Oh, okay.
Oh, God, it's really cool.
Oh, really? That was in that box?
There's a few in the box.
Oh.
It won't do it?
No. It says
How do you do
can't
these
operate without a micro SD.
We have to take them out of the box?
This is that one. Cool. I'll take this
Wow, that's it?
We should have gone over that field over there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Put them off in
yeah.
that field.
I got really cool pictures on it.
Run fast.
Huh?
Everyone don't like
Fast.